Hello, and welcome back to Mentoring Diogo. This is episode 3, and today we'll be looking at the Fibonacci Kata exercise.
Okay, so can we read through?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we've got the rules or the guidelines for the Fibonacci Kata. So as you can read here, Fibonacci number or the Fibonacci sequence, named after mathematician Fibonacci, is a sequence of numbers that looks like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, blah blah blah, etc. Then you get the first two starting numbers, in this example 0 and 1, and the next number in the sequence is always the sum of the previous two numbers. You should write a function.
Wait.
Oh.
So let's look at that. So we've got numbers 0 and 1.
Yes.
0 plus 1
1.
is 1. And then number 2 is the sum of 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 3 is 1 plus 2, 3. And then 5 is 2 plus 3, and so on and so on.
Yes.
Yeah? So what do we need to do?
So you should write a function with the name fib that takes one parameter steps and returns a number from the Fibonacci sequence. For example, fib as a function 0 returns 0, and fib as 4 return. No, that's not correct. So fib on the 4th position returns 3. Fib on the 15th position returns 610.
And so on.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
the number right here indicates the position of the number
in the sequence.
In the sequence.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Okay. I get it.
Cool. So you have a failing test, and we've got a watch, and we've created a script that you can look into the packages.
Yes.
And it's running, and the test is failing. Okay.
Nice.
So let's do the first test.
Okay.
So where do you want to start?
Position 1. Well, position 0.
Position 0. Let's do position 0. So let's write the test.
Let's get this out. So, position 0, I guess.
Yeah. Let's see if we can think. Let's look at the exercise. Sometimes it's good. So every time it's a good idea to take the names from the requirements. So what does it say? There's a Fibonacci sequence. Okay. So we could say number for position 0 in Fibonacci sequence is I don't know, something like that.
Okay, so number 1.
Number
0.
No, number 4.
4.
Fibonacci sequence.
Fibonacci.
No, just one. Double C. Sequence. Index 0 is 0.
Is 0.
This is okay, right? We can improve this.
We
later.
can improve it because it's still confusing. But maybe once we start doing the exercise,
we'll find out more. So we expect the fib of 0 to be 0. All right. So now it doesn't compile because fib doesn't take anything.
So as the first,
they call it the step, right?
Yeah.
So there's a
but
step.
As the first one, we always do this one, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Just to.
Yeah.
So it doesn't complain that
it compiles. Yeah.
And then this is. Is this a string?
No, this is a number.
Right?
Yeah, it returns another number. So let's make the test pass.
Return 0.
Return 0. Done. Does the test pass? No.
No. Why?
Maybe you need to do a Control C and restart the watch.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. Some not in there.
Oh, because the tests are passing there.
Something weird sometimes just works, but once it starts
right
working,
here it's compiling, but not in this.
So now it passed. Okay, so let's commit.
Yes, true. Oh, sorry, I closed it. Right here. Okay. So this is a feature, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're using that still.
Fit.
Okay.
And what should we
Fibonacci Fibonacci position 0 is 0.
Position 0 is 0.
Something like that, right?
Sounds fine. Great. Now
let's do another one.
To the next sequence, right?
Yeah.
So test number. I don't like how this is.
So let's rewrite it. How did you put on the test?
How should I, to make it clear? Instead of number of for Fibonacci sequence, let's use the same one. Position.
Or Fibonacci sequence of index 0? No. I don't know. Let's discuss this. What do you want to say?
I would rather say position 1 in the Fibonacci sequence
is 1.
Is 1.
Okay, let's write that. Position
1 in the Fibonacci sequence
is 1.
Is 1.
Okay, let's fix the one above.
Yeah. So position
0
in the Fibonacci sequence is 0.
Okay, let's do that. Let's see if the you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Oh. So we expect Fib 1 to be 1. Oh, sorry. Then open brackets.
And you need the B to be uppercase.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see if
is this failing?
It looks like yes.
Yes. Is it failing?
Yeah. Received 0.
Received
okay.
0.
So let's keep going.
So right here.
Step. That's what they call in the business description. So
how do I do this?
The simplest way possible.
If a step equals 1, right?
Yeah. That sounds good.
Then return 1.
Yeah.
What?
Sounds good to me.
And then I need to return 0, right?
Yeah. After that, you always, I think.
I know
Yeah. That's a block of code.
Is this working?
Let's see.
Yes.
Yeah, let's continue.
Okay. So, test. Not this one, this. Position 2 in the Fibonacci sequence is 1 as well.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So expect. Is it gonna compile fine since we have both ones?
That's fine. But that's position 2, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
To be 1.
Okay. Run the tests or save because with the watch mode will pick it up.
It's not. Okay.
Okay. Is it failing for the right reason? Let's look. Yeah. Okay. So let's make the test pass.
If step 2
Okay.
Is it working right? No, it is. Oh, return 1.
Okay. Did we commit the other one?
No, we didn't.
Okay. So we need to do both.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's commit.
Okay. This feature fits. So it's
position 1 and 2.
Position 1 and 2.
Fib sequence. I don't know. We already know we are on that.
Position 1 and 2. That's fine. Oh, not this. Okay. So I guess we continue.
Yeah.
Or should we refactor? Because
There's already 3 things in there.
Yeah.
On the tests, you could refactor the test. You could also look at refactoring there. Up to you. You don't have to if you want
It's
to.
just, I don't know how would I refactor.
So
especially this one.
Yeah. So don't refactor. So refactor this one.
Okay.
If you know what to do in here, refactor this one.
Dot each.
That's absolutely fine.
And then I do this.
No.
I do this.
Yeah.
And then I close it and I open
Close.
this.
Yeah. And then put another one inside that.
Yeah. And it's I
zero,
guess it's the
zero,
position
zero.
Yeah. 0 as
What,
0.
zero? Yeah.
And then this is position
1
as 1. And this is position 2 as 1. As 1.
Okay. So remember. Okay. So now you put the step.
Yep.
You can put the percentage S in there. Remember.
Oh.
Percentage S instead of 0. Just put a no. Is
yeah.
percentage 0, percentage S, percentage S.
Percentage
S and the other one as well. I think that works.
Percentage. Oh yeah. Percentage S.
Okay.
And then in here.
Step.
Yep. Wait.
Oh, you could do that. Just write it in there. It's fine. You don't have to do that.
Step as a number, right?
No.
And
the Fibonacci number.
Fibonacci number.
As a number.
As a number. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's it.
You have
this.
2 parentheses in there. Yeah. Save.
Step.
Step to be Fibonacci number.
Fibonacci number.
Okay. Save.
Is this working?
Let's see.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Yeah. So let's get rid of the others. So you don't know yet what to do on the other side. So
I don't know.
Let's keep going. Let's recommit. Yeah. So now it's refactor. Remove duplication in test. Or duplication. Yeah.
Duplication.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Oh, I didn't do anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, how do I do this one? Because normally I do the module, but I don't know how to. Because this is different.
Yeah, this is not the same.
Of course, because it's the sum of the number before and the actual.
It's fine. Keep going. Keep giving it more examples and see if you spot a pattern.
So, for example, this is position 3 as 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this should fail the test. Let's run it. Yes, it did.
So now here it's if step equals 3, then we return a 2.
Okay, let's do it. I think Prettier fixes that for you. But I think it's a good idea. I like it,
Okay,
yeah.
So it passes.
So
I still don't. I mean, I guess it's the sum of the positions, but how do I implement that?
So there's a thing you could do in there, but I don't know if it's very helpful. You could remove an if. You could just say if step is less than 3, return 1. So you take the if 1 and if 2.
So I take this away. Yes. Oh, sorry. Not this. So this goes.
But I don't know if you like that or not.
So this.
But you need to do before. No. You need to replace the other 2.
Yes.
Go back and undo. You go too fast in there. So you've got if step equals 1, if step equals 2, if step equals 3. Yeah. So for 1 and 2, you always return 1. So you could say if step is less than 3, return 1. No, not there. That one is fine. It's to replace the other 2, right?
So it's
not equals.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's less than 3.
Then
No.
Then return.
Return is on the line below.
So this isn't necessary.
No, this, yeah, exactly.
So
If
like
step,
this.
if step is less than 3, but and then you don't need that if statement, right?
So I don't need this anymore.
Yeah, but that one looks like a heart, like an emoji. If step, yeah, yes. Now it looks like less than 3. So let's see if this works.
Let's see.
So this is something that I saw, a pattern that I saw, but it doesn't work.
Okay.
Expected. Oh, yeah, of course. If step, so you need to put the yeah, it won't work very well. Okay, undo. You would need end up with another if. Okay, it was worth trying. Okay, let's see if that's not less than 3. Line 10. Okay, let's see if the tests work. We are back to green. And this is why we commit so often. If we got into a real mess, we could always git reset and go back to safety. Okay, so if you don't spot a pattern, let's keep going.
Okay, sure. So, so position 4 equals 3, right? Yes.
I don't remember. I would have to look at the exercise. I should know this by memory.
It's this.
Yeah.
This.
1, 1, 3. Yeah.
Yes, it doesn't work. So right here, I would have to do the same. If step equals 4, then.
Oh, I think I spotted a pattern.
Did you?
So we are always returning the step minus 1.
I see.
You see?
But that won't be exactly.
But for now it would work. If you say return step minus 1, try that. Delete everything and just return step minus 1, right? Because that's always everything. No, you don't need the ifs, you don't need anything.
Yeah. Step.
No. Return. So instead of return 0, no.
Yes. Right here, yeah, I get it. So right here, so return.
And I just spotted it.
1,
I don't think I've done this exercise, but I don't. Let's see if this works.
It doesn't look like it.
No,
works.
so it doesn't work. So it doesn't work for
0. No,
for 1.
1 and
okay. So
because this is. So this one is. So when he does this one, it returns to 0.
Oh yeah, when it's 1, it's 1. Okay, so you could do those ifs. So let's undo again. Let's go back to green. So if it doesn't work, we go back to green. Run the tests.
Return 3. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about that one.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Yeah, okay. So you can leave step 0 and step 1.
Okay. So the rest disappear, right?
Yeah, you could actually put if step equals 0, return 0, right?
Another if?
No. You reuse that one. Then you return 0. If it's 1, you return 1.
If it's 1, you return 1.
Else, just delete all the other ifs. You just return step minus 1, right? Does that work?
Sure. Return step minus 1.
It's not minus 1. Yeah, that give us space in there. We want to do an operation. Yes, save. Let's see.
Yes.
Yeah, so this worked.
So we refactor it.
Yeah, so now you refactored, remove duplication. Or just put duplication, that's fine. Because you already have the refactor is there. So you like these semantic Git messages.
It's clear. So let's keep going to see if we can spot anything else, right? So for position 5, it's equals 5.
No, is it? Yes. Of course it is. Sorry. So, just after lunch. I just had a huge pizza. My blood is in the stomach, not in the brain.
So yes, it's not working. We expected a 5
and received 4. Okay, so let's make it work.
So
let's go to green, and then we think about it.
So if step equals 5.
Yeah.
Then return
5.
The problem is this one is gonna.
No, because you are returning, right?
Oh, okay.
should work, I think.
Let's see.
Although
yes, it
my
does.
brain is not.
It does. It does.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So, feature. So.
Position 5.
Position 5. As 5.
Okay.
That's done. Let's keep going, I guess.
Yeah, there's not much. Do you see anything you want to refine?
The problem is we can't do -1 from here on because it's gonna keep adding. Like
yeah.
From this one to this one, it's a -2, and then for position 6, it's gonna be 8.
Okay.
So I can't.
Okay. So we go to green.
Okay. Wait. Let's see if this fails. So we are.
Yeah.
Sure. Yes. And we expected an 8 and
we
received a 5.
5.
Okay. So let's go to green. So if step equals 6, then we return 8.
Okay.
So is this green? Yes.
Okay. Let's go and
Commit. So feature position 6 as 8. Okay,
cool.
So I guess we'll keep going, right?
Yeah. If you want to do another one, let's do another one.
I just can't see a way to refactor,
Okay.
especially this one.
Okay.
So it's position 7.
Yeah.
13, right?
Yeah.
So.
Does it pass? Does it fail? Can you? It fails.
It fails.
So let's make it go green.
Okay.
We don't stop on red.
Yes.
Let's go make it go green.
If step 7, then return 13.
Okay.
Okay. So is this passing?
Yes.
Feature position 7 13. Okay. So that's so how.
Okay. So my advice for you is scroll up and let's read the
Yes.
things. I'll give you a hint because in here we're doing something new. So the next number is always the same or the sum of the previous two numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So 13 is 8 plus 5.
Yes.
Right. So you've got. So if you could.
So I have to do a conditional that is always. So I have to do a loop, right? For that. That's calculating always the previous.
Exactly.
And the new position, right?
Yes. So it's the sum of. No, it's not this one. It's the sum of the previous two. So you would have to do.
Yes. So I have to do.
You would have to return something like. Let's do it. It won't work. Okay. Return. Fib.
Sorry about the mic. Yes. Return fib.
No space.
Oh, yes.
So you need to call fib. What would be the step?
Step 7.
No. So
5 and 6.
5 and 6. So it would be for step 7. It would be step -2.
Step -2, yes.
Yes. This is what we wish we had. Plus.
In the same thing.
No,
right?
no. Outside. Plus. No, outside.
Yeah, yes.
Plus, we call again fib.
Fib as the position, right?
-1.
-1.
Because it's the previous two.
-1.
Not minus. Yeah, exactly. So this would work.
Are you sure?
What do you think?
I will just test it.
Wait. Yeah, okay, test that. That's fine. But this is something that could work, right? You calculate the fib -2 and the fib.
And the position -1.
Yeah. Okay, so let's test that. Okay. That probably will.
It's working.
So it's working, so you now could delete all the ifs, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's
and now
test
it's
again.
probably not going to work.
Okay.
And let's
Is it because of this?
No. Yes and no. So let's read the error.
what does it say?
Range, maximum call stack exceeded. So the problem is you're going to negative numbers.
Yes, because
so you need to
this one is -2 already.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So what we need to do, we need to do an if statement and stop.
And stop at 0.
Exactly.
Okay. So if the step is minus
equals -1.
Equals.
Triple equals.
Yeah.
0, sorry, not -1.
No,
I don't know.
0.
0, return 0.
Return 0.
But in there, on the exercise, it says something interesting. If you get the first two starting numbers, 0 and 1, so you could always return the 0 and the 1.
Okay, return.
No, so now if step equals 1, return 1.
So here as well, okay. So if step equals 1.
So these are sort of two given numbers, right?
Yes. So the same exercise give it. So
but now you need to give that space.
Here, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So it's magically working. Now
wait,
you need to understand. Okay.
I need to commit first.
Feature. Now, did we do feature or refactor?
Refactor.
Okay.
Refactor.
So I'm gonna give you a
duplication.
name.
Well,
really refactor duplication. Yeah, we refactor to recursion. Recursion.
Right?
Which I don't know if you know what we did. I don't remember. It's okay.
It's fine.
We could go to Google and search. I don't know if it's a double S or not. None of us is native English speakers,
exactly.
So forgive us if we did a typo there. So we just did a recursive function, which I think you haven't seen.
I haven't seen.
So what we are doing is, but you got there on your own, right?
Yes, because
you just probably don't understand. What we are doing is from the same function, we are calling itself again.
Yes, that's what I understood.
So let's imagine we are doing number 2.
Yes.
So step is number 2.
Yes.
Okay. Is step equal 0? No.
No.
Is step equal 1?
Yes.
No. We said it's number 2.
Oh, but
step is number 2.
Oh, step. Oh, yeah.
Is step equals to 1?
Yeah. No. If step equals 1, it's 1. If it's
but
step equals 2, it's 1.
So we are assuming we are running this test case.
So in
step
2 we are
we go
we
here.
Return 1. Yeah.
No, we don't return 1. If step, what is the step? Step is 2.
Yes.
So does it go into this if statement? No. Does it go into this one? No. So we do step minus 2. What's the value of step minus
0?
0. So fib of 0 is
0.
Okay. Plus fib of
minus 1, which is position 1,
is 1.
Is 1. So we return 1. Yeah.
Yeah, and you could work out.
And it's the same thing.
You can work out the same.
For position 3,
go through the same exercise.
So for position 3, it doesn't go here.
Yes.
It doesn't go here. It does go. No, it doesn't go here. So we go here.
What's this? Now we go again to the top with step minus 2. So it's
step minus 2 is 1.
Is 1. So we are executing this function again.
Plus,
now it's 1 plus
step minus 1, which is 2, and we get the number 2.
So we get number 2, right? So we get here and get number 2. What happens when we get?
Let me explain. So I'm right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is position 3. So we do minus 2 positions, which is position 1. And then we sum it with position 2.
Yeah.
And we get 1 plus 1, which is 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But the thing is, this one goes inside the function twice.
Yes.
Because you get position 2, you get here, it's not here, it's not here, it goes again here, and it's 1 plus position 0.
Yeah.
And it goes back.
So really, this is it, really, right?
Yeah, this is it.
Because we can go to any position. We could go to position 300.
Let's try fib 15, like we did for because that's the given example.
So
just 15 is 610.
610.
Let's see if this works.
Command save.
Yeah, this is a simple exercise. It's just that you get what recursion is.
Well, it is passing. Because
yeah, so let's commit and add the test keyword. Test. position 15.
When?
Oh, you refactor now?
No, it's test, but I wanted to give you a good name. So it's testing.
Position 15, that's what we've done, right?
Position 15, yeah.
Or you want to give it a better name?
I just wanted to say that it's given from the exercise.
Okay, from
the exercise.
From the exercise. Yeah, that's fine.
Just to clarify where it comes from.
That's your commit, that's your code. I'm just helping, so
nice.
I'm okay with that.
So this is the exercise. It is quite simpler than it looks. Once you understand it,
the objective of this exercise is for you to get what a recursion is.
Yes.
And it's just a loop.
So it's really just the function calling itself.
Over and over and over. The only problem is when you do recursion, you need to stop. It's like you do a for loop from 0 to 10. In here, you need to stop because you are going backwards. Exactly. You say, if it's 1, I return 1. If it's 0, I return 0. Because the first time you did this, because you didn't have a stop, it just went on and on into negative numbers, eventually gave you a Stack Overflow. You consumed all the memory, and it said, I don't have any memory to run, and just blew up.
Okay.
So when you need to be careful.
So you need to give it
a stopping criteria.
A stopping criteria.
Yeah. Think of this like a loop.
Yeah,
that's
just what I was thinking at the first to kind of understand it, but now,
you could do this with a loop.
Yeah.
Instead of doing a recursive function, but in this case a recursive function, because you got there, you say, I sometimes you need to do this. Just you're saying the thing in English, just put it in code, and you got it. You just didn't thought about the stopping criteria, and I said nothing because it's better when you see the problem sometimes.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Cool. That's it. Exercise 3 is done. Thank you. Completed. We'll see you next time.
Exactly. We'll see you in exercise 4.
Which we don't know which one is going to be. Surprise. Bye.
Bye.